once your assignment is complete, only remember the name of the assignment because it is necessary in order to load or in order to upload that particular thing onto the Google form. So yes, if your assignment is ready, it is time to upload the assignment onto the Google form. How you are going to do it? The step-by-step method is given over here. Click on the link provided in the Google Classroom for Computer subject. A Google form will get open. There you will have to select your grade and type your full name. You will see add file button. So first I'm showing this particular 4 steps, or so I'm going to the document that you are getting in your classroom. It is like this: computers, our goal, instruction. Click here to view the presentation and click here to upload the assignment. So I'm clicking here in order to upload the assignment. As soon as you are clicking on that particular thing, you all are aware a Google form will open. On that particular Google form, you will be able to see the grades. I'm selecting 7B and I'm typing my full name, that is Asif Ansari. After clicking, you are able to see this particular table which we have already prepared in the assignment over here. This table is already prepared. The name of the table is hands-on activity with my name. So are you able to see this add file? Going to the presentation, step number 4. You will see add file button. Click on the button, then select my drive. So we are able to see add file. As soon as I click on add file, another window will get open. We have to select my drive. After selecting my drive, what is the next step? Give the name of the Google sheet that you have prepared. Select the sheet, click on the submit button. So what is the name of the sheet that I have prepared? I have prepared hands on activity and my name. See, as soon as I'm typing hands on, I will be able to get this particular thing. Now over here you are able to see the document has been uploaded. I will just click on the submit button. As soon as I'm clicking on the submit button, I get a successful message from the server. Your response have been recorded. So in this manner, you have to upload the document and the marks will be revealed after the document has been uploaded. So your marks will be revealed the next day as how many marks you all are getting.